I'm about to switch sides. I'm about to switch sides. I'm about to leave y'all.
Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see.
What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are trying a TikTok breakfast cereal. So this breakfast cereal is all over TikTok, and last night I was asked to try this, so I'm gonna do this video really quick because I've seen this several times. Okay, so first of all, his channel's name is Natures_Food, so shout out to him. And also Demia for requesting the video. I'll put her comment in there. So if you're new to the channel, you can please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So you have to take pomegranate seeds, blueberries, and coconut water, sort of like as your milk. And it's supposed to give you this amazing amount of energy, right? So you know I wanted to try this. And then I saw Lizzo try it. And I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's just try it. I want to try it. All right, so let's do it real quick, y'all. All right, so I got the seeds. I don't know what's the first thing you put in there. Hold on, let me put some blueberries in first. And there's no particular order because it's cereal. All right, let me move this real quick. So we're gonna put some blueberries in there. Don't be scared of the berries. Y'all know I'll be looking because I don't know, I like my blueberries perfect. Okay. Then we'll put the blackberries in there. So if you are, you know, being healthy or want to try this, definitely try it. And if you try it, please let me know. It's not this, I'm not the originator of this, but I'm just trying it, okay? You know, give him credit because all his stuff, he just make it look so good. And I was watching his channel. I love fruit. Okay, so that's the blackberries. Oh, and I got organic and everything. Cause you know, kid, if you don't get organic, it really, I ain't gonna start. All right, and then I got the seeds. Got a little stem on that one. Hold on. Hope y'all can see this. It's just a quick little video, y'all. Okay, so mix it all together. Why am I smiling so hard? I'm gonna put a couple more seeds in there, cause we're just gonna eat. He said chew the seeds right on up. You just chew them. It's pretty, I can tell you that. It's very pretty. Okay, and then we're gonna use this. This is my favorite coconut water, y'all. He had a actual coconut and poured the water in there. So we're gonna put this in here. That might be a bit much, but okay. And then you eat it like cereal. You're supposed to have an amazing energy from, you know, eating this for breakfast. So definitely try it, y'all. All right, let's try it. You want to try it first? Try it first. Here. Try it first. Okay, hold on. You ready? Okay, wait a minute. Oh, we always do two. You always do two. I'm not used to just biting the seeds and eating the seeds. Well, my jaws hurt from trying not to smile. I actually like it. It's actually good. It's refreshing, you know? I think the key is definitely getting a good coconut water. Because the fruit itself, all of it blends well together. Okay. Lizzo wasn't lying. He was not lying. Lizzo wasn't lying. And people on TikTok was not lying. I like it. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And if you don't take my word for it, just try it. Very refreshing. I can see why this gives you energy. First of all, you're going to be hydrated from that coconut water. And you're getting a lot of antioxidants and minerals. I'm smacking, sorry. Vitamins. That's good. Especially if you like fruit. I never thought about using coconut water. Okay, so listen. Now while I was in there while I was on his page, he had dragon fruit. I done went in there and spent the whole light bill money. Don't worry about it. And he was like, this dragon fruit is sweeter than the pink one he said. I don't know. I want to try it though. And he eats the seeds and everything. Well. The last dragon fruit I had was pink. So let me try this real quick. See if it's sweet. Actually, he's right. Because the other one doesn't really taste like anything. This one is really sweet. Okay. Listen. Yeah. This one is sweeter than the other one. The one with the, even though I bought it, I don't know why I didn't bring it in here. I bought the red one with the white inside. We might as well put a little dragon fruit in the cereal. Nature cereal. This reminds me of a pear. Let me know if you get that same thing. Like I said, I went in there hungry, so I ended up picking up more stuff. This is good too. Ooh, a spoon scoop out good, huh? Get all my juice. Yeah, I gotta let you know if I feel a difference or whatever. Why can't I stop smiling? Girl, stop being happy. Stop being happy. Got a little stem on my blueberry. I know one of y'all will try this. So let me know. Let me know. This is better than eating cereal in the morning. I'm about to switch sides. I'm about to switch sides. I'm about to leave y'all. About to be glowing. I'm about to leave y'all. I'm about to switch sides. I'm about to go over there with them. I'm about to get my whole life together. So when I be out there running around doing cartwheels and stuff, you better act like you know. I was reading the comments and somebody talking about, that's just an unblended up smoothie. Okay, call it what you want to call it. We ain't gonna fight over being healthy. But you talking about y'all hype up anything, might as well. Why not? We be hyped over chicken sandwiches and hamburgers, so why we can't be hyped over some fruit and coconut water? Don't come around here with all that. I'm gonna tell you what else I picked up. Child, I went in there and spent all the money. I saw these little, I don't even know if y'all can see it. Hold on, I'm gonna put it up here. These little coconut chunks. Y'all know I love coconut. And these are organic coconut chunks. Oh, I want a kid to taste this. I'm about to hate it all now. I wanted him to try it. That's why I got organic. Hold on, let me see if he'll come taste it. He probably busy. He be like, I got stuff to do. I'm working. You around here playing. I'm not playing. I'm working too. Hello? Hey, babe, you busy? You want to taste this nature cereal? Yeah. Alright, Bob. He say, what is it? Natural cereal? It is. Oh, it is good, y'all. Nothing? I'm not setting you up.
I know you put whatever that crazy fruit is. This thing got splinters in it.
What splinters? This coconut.
No, that whatever that fruit is.
I already ate this. It's dragon fruit.
Yeah.
I ate it already. That's not in there.
Where is the secret?
Right here. So, I follow this guy on TikTok, right? And it's like this cereal is going viral. It's called Nature's cereal, right? So he put blueberries, blackberries, and pomegranate, and then your milk or whatever is the coconut water. You want to taste it?
Okay.
All right. Should I put more in here?
No.
Okay. But I can't scoop all this. Here, let me put a little bit more of this. And you eat the seeds and stuff. I think it's a blueberry on there. You have to bring your mouth closer because it don't drip. It's dripping. Oh, okay. He said if you eat this in the morning, you're going to have so much energy.
Not bad.
Now, it's good, isn't it?
I mean, It's just fruit.
I know, but you put it in coconut water and it's like really good. Just the whole mixture together.
Hmm?
I was like, okay, I'll try it. That was it.
Okay, not bad.
No, it's not bad at all.
Well,
No, I ain't set you up. I wouldn't set you up. What's this in my, hold on, let me see what this is. Oh, a seed. Yeah, I was like, oh, long. But since everybody was trying it, these little coconuts good. You don't eat coconut, do you?
raw.
Raw.
Coconut?
It's good. Organic. Coconut chunks. And the fruit is organic. I bought organic fruit.
Okay.
Because I know you was going to be like, if you didn't get organic fruit.
I mean, you want to get organic fruit. I mean, you just want to do the best you can.
But baby, this was more expensive than the crab legs. I was like, shoot.
Alright, why it's going viral? So you won't have too many people eating it.
God, dog.
Because you're talking about blueberries, pomegranates.
5, 10, 15.
Right.
20.
And to eat enough.
And this is, you know, this $10.
Yeah.
So this is 30.
So what do they eat enough to make you full?
Even though $30, it'll save you in the long run, you know? All right, y'all. This is supposed to be a quick little video. So, thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget, if you try it, let me know. But yeah, if you haven't seen it all over TikTok, you probably will. I'm gonna give one more bite. So thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.